Are you tired of waking up every morning with stiff, aching joints? Do you feel like your body is betraying you, making even the simplest tasks a struggle? If you've been searching for a natural solution to joint pain and inflammation, chances are you've come across Golden Revive Plus. But with so many supplements out there, you're probably wondering, does it really work? Is it worth the investment? And are there any side effects? Well, I've been using Golden Revive Plus for the past 60 days, and today I'm going to share my honest experience with you. From the before and after results to the real customer testimonials, this is everything you need to know before making a decision. Let's start with the basics. Golden Revive Plus is a natural supplement designed to target the root cause of joint pain and inflammation. It's packed with powerful ingredients like turmeric, ginger, and other anti-inflammatory extracts. But what makes it stand out from the crowd? For starters, it's not just another painkiller that masks the symptoms. Instead, it works to reduce inflammation at the source, helping your body heal naturally. And the best part? It's backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Plus, right now, they're offering a discount code for first-time buyers, making it the best price you'll find anywhere. Now let's talk about my experience. I started using Golden Revive Plus after struggling with chronic knee pain for years. Within the first week, I noticed a significant reduction in stiffness. I could move more freely, and the sharp pain I used to feel when climbing stairs started to fade. By week 3, the improvement was even more noticeable. My knees felt stronger, and I was able to go for longer walks without discomfort. And by week 6, I was almost pain-free. I felt like I had my life back. But it's not all perfect. I did experience some mild stomach discomfort during the first few days, which is something to keep in mind if you have a sensitive stomach. However, for me, the benefits far outweighed the side effects. Of course, I'm not the only one who's seen results. Thousands of people have tried Golden Revive Plus, and the real testimonials speak for themselves. Take Sarah, for example. She's 62 years old and was skeptical at first, but after just 2 weeks, she noticed a dramatic improvement in her joint pain. Then there's John, 55, who no longer feels knee pain after using Golden Revive Plus consistently. And Maria, 70, who calls it a life-changing solution. These are real customer reviews from people who were once in your shoes, and their stories are a testament to what this supplement can do. But here's the thing, not all supplements are created equal. If you're thinking about trying Golden Revive Plus, it's crucial to get it from the official website. There are a lot of scams out there, and you don't want to waste your money on a counterfeit product. Plus, right now they're offering a free trial for new customers, along with free shipping on larger orders. And remember, if you're not completely satisfied, you can return it within 60 days for a full refund. That's how confident they are in their product. So if you're ready to take control of your health and finally say goodbye to joint pain, Golden Revive Plus might be the natural pain relief solution you've been looking for. Whether you're dealing with knee pain, hip pain, or sciatica, this supplement is designed to help. Click the link below to order yours today and start your journey to a pain-free, revitalized you. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. Your future self will thank you.